Welcome to today's tutorial on how to design an effective restaurant menu. Your restaurant menu is one of the most important marketing tools you have to showcase your brand, offerings, and unique style. Here are some tips on how to design an effective restaurant menu. Know your target audience. Understand your target market's preferences, demographics, and dietary restrictions to create a menu that appeals to them. Conduct market research and analyze customer feedback to identify popular dishes and trends. Develop a concept. Define your restaurant concept, cuisine, and service style. Create a cohesive brand identity that reflects your menu offerings and ambience. Keep it simple. Avoid overwhelming customers with too many options or a cluttered design. Keep your menu simple, easy to read, and well organized. Group items by category and highlight your signature dishes. Use descriptive language. Use descriptive language to entice customers and make your dishes sound appealing. Use adjectives that describe the texture, flavor, and aroma of the dish. Include pricing. Clearly display your pricing to avoid any confusion or surprises. Use strategic pricing strategies to increase sales and profitability. Update regularly. Keep your menu fresh and updated with new dishes, seasonal ingredients, and limited time offers. This creates excitement and encourages repeat customers. Incorporate visuals. Use high-quality images to showcase your menu items and give customers a better idea of what to expect. Ensure that the images are accurate and appetizing. By following these tips, you can design an effective restaurant menu that showcases your brand and offerings, while also increasing sales and profitability. Remember to regularly review and update your menu based on customer feedback, market trends, and ingredient availability. Thanks for watching How to Tutorials by Jayanti Kathale. More than decade experience in Restra business and running successful Restra chain under women leadership.